Good morning, yogis, yoginis, and everyone in between. This is day 2 of your morning yoga journey. I'm Kit, and welcome to Yoga with Kit Southern. Today we're going to start off with the affirmation. I am aware of my movements and breathing. If you want to say that again, I am aware of my movements and breathing. So as we go out the practice, as we go through the practice today, you want to just gently repeat that to yourself, either aloud or silent. It's a great option to really stay conscious and mindful of your movements and breathing. So if you're ready, let's go ahead and get started. So we begin in a seated position, just a comfortable position. And we're going to start off with our 3 ums. Okay? Right. So we are sitting nice and tall. We prepare the body. If you want to close your eyes, I invite you to do so. We're going to take 1 cycle of inhale just to cleanse everything through the nose and out through the mouth. We inhale. And we exhale. Now we'll begin our ums. We inhale through the nose. One more, we inhale. One more time, we inhale. Gently take a breath. When we exhale. Beautiful. If you heard little footsteps, that was Cooper. He decided to come and join us for some ums. Okay, great. So let's go ahead and we get started. We're going to keep this right leg down on the mat. We're going to grab our leg, our posing leg. We're going to put the foot in the elbow as well as the knee, and making sure that we stay straight in the back. We're just going to gently rock side to side, right? Just loosening up the hips. If you're like me, when I wake up in the morning, my hip flexors are extremely sore. I've been a runner my whole life, and they just are habitually tight. So that's just what it is. Okay, great. We're going to change. Gently drop that one down. We're going to change to the other side. Right. Oof. Okay. Oh my goodness. And keeping that foot flexed, and the foot that's on the mat as well, we keep that flexed. I actually have a video, Yoga for Runners. If you're interested in doing that, I can link that in the description. Right, so we're just gently moving this leg back and forth. Right, remember staying tall. And gently dropping that down. Gently dropping that down. Right, okay. Similar to what we did yesterday, we are going to come here and we're going to lift up those arms. And as we exhale, we're gently just going to twist to the side. We're going to do this one a little faster than we did yesterday. Again, hands come back up. And exhale to the other side. Great, we're going to come back to center. Beautiful, hands drop down to the knees. From here, we're going to go to the side, taking both of the legs out front, grabbing those cheeks, honey, pulling them to the side, and really sitting down on those sit bones. We're going to inhale, And exhale. Instead of going, when we're all warmed up, we go all the way, to the feet. We're not going to do that. We're just going to keep the hands right beside the glutes. We're just going to gently bend forward, bending the knees if that feels comfortable for you. Right, so nothing too crazy. If you want to walk the hands out a little bit more, you can, right? So the goal here, it's not to just like really put all of your energy into stretching so far. The goal here is to keep that cervical region long. The hips, we're bending from the hips, keeping this region long, right? And really opening up through the collarbone, the chest region. Right, making sure those feet stay flexed. We're gonna exhale. Let's do one more breath here. Releasing any tension if you're holding those quads tight, right? Just releasing any tension. We have one more inhale. And we exhale. Great job, gently walking the hands back up. And then from here, we're going to cross over our right leg over our left and gently just hug that knee into the body. Really focusing on keeping that back straight, right? Imagining that you're up against a wall, or you can literally go up against a wall, right? So either way is good. From here, we're going to gently just twist to the side, right? So nothing too crazy. Again, we're just warming up the body, honey. Just warming up the body. Okay, great. Gently untwisting to the other side. Fantastic. Putting that foot down. We're going to move to the other, right? So same, just the opposite side. Gently hugging that little knee. Right, saying sweet little things. And again, repeating the mantra. The affirmation, right? I am aware of my movements and my breathing. Beautiful. As we're taking our exhale, we're just going to twist, opening the side body. Great job. From here, we're going to have our feet out in front. Then we're going to take it back to easy pose, right? So once you get back to easy pose, we're going to be doing a seated cat-cow, right? So similar to when we are in the tabletop position, right? So our hands are on our knees. We're going to inhale. We're going to arch the back, open up the chest. And as we exhale, we're just going to hollow out the chest. Our chin comes to chest. And really feel that in the lower body. We're going to inhale. And exhale. Right, really releasing, feeling that in the lower back. We're going to inhale. Opening up the chest, arching the back, making sure we don't collapse the neck here, right? So still staying real long. And one more exhale. We're going to do this cycle one more time, right? Making sure that we stay grounded. And we're going to inhale, taking it to cat. To cow, and exhale to neutral spine. Great job. You want to just kind of release any tension that you have in the body still, right? You want to sing it out? We can do that too, honey. Okay, great. From here, we're going to take it to tabletop position. Fantastic. And then we're going to just gently glide on up to downward facing dog, right? So find your position, really making sure we stay strong in our base, and then we just glide it on up, right? Making sure those hands are spread out wide, and gently bending the knees, maybe bending them a lot, whatever feels comfortable for you right now in your practice. Moving from side to side, allowing the neck to fall. You want your neck and head where the ears are in line with those biceps. Right. From here, we're going to join the feet together in downward facing dog. And then we're going to walk the hands to the feet. Excuse me, the feet to the hands, but we can walk the hands to the feet as well. And we're going to bend those knees, bringing the feet a little bit less than shoulder width apart, but more or less there. And then we're going to just gently allow the head to fall. The goal here is not to feel any intense pain or tension, right? Like, that's not what we want here. What we want here is just allow the body to rest. Allow the chest to fall on the top of the thighs, the quadriceps. Then from here, we're going to just grab the elbows and allow the body to hang. You want to move from side to side. Right, staying grounded down in those feet, really pushing into the mat. From here, we're going to gently come up, putting those hands out in front, having a flat back, taking the feet as wide as the mat, those toes maybe off the mat just a little, and then just gently sinking down, and then coming back up. You're going to do a nice little flow, right? Making sure that back is straight, feeling that in those hamstrings, then gently coming down, right? So right now it's quite early to do Balasana, which is a garland pose, what we call it in English. And that's when you go all the way down. But right now it's too early for all that nonsense. So we're going to still... I'm just saying, you know, I'm just saying. So right now we're going to be doing that in a way, right? But just going down and just kind of targeting those muscles still. If you're having issues as far as reaching the mat with your fingertips, or if you have pain in your fingertips when you do this, if you have two blocks, that is a great way of propping up those hands. Right, so if we have two blocks, we have them here. If you don't have blocks, you can use books as well. Let's do 2 more rounds of that, right? So we're inhaling, lengthening the chest and the neck, lengthening the spine. We exhale, go down, and we inhale. From here, we're gonna step out, taking it further than shoulder width apart, right? And those feet can just point out to the corners of the mat. Gently, we're just going to move from side to side, stretching out the groin muscles, using our hands as guides, opening up the body, opening up that region. Beautiful. Okay. From here, we're going to take it to the middle, and like we did earlier, we're going to hold the elbows, gently rock it from side to side. Holding here, releasing the elbows, gently walking the toes and heels to when the toes meet. The feet meet, and then we're gonna just gently come down to the mat, coming back on to our buttocks, onto the glutes, feet out in front. Then we're gonna gently roll down to the mat, going into a Savasana pose. you want to do any little movements or any poses here, maybe a supine twist, I invite you to do that. If not, you can stay here in corpse pose. Preparing for the day, being grateful to yourself for taking this moment. Saying thank you to our bodies, to our minds. We gently repeat the affirmation one more time. I am aware of my movements and breathing. So we take this affirmation out into the world with us. Staying mindful, staying conscientious, having a great day. Whenever you're ready, we're going to move to one side, taking it to the fetal position. Gently coming up, taking it to easy pose. Cooper decided to join us. We're going to inhale, hands come above the head, and down to prayer pose, resting at the heart. Thank you all so much for joining me for day 2 of your morning yoga journey. I appreciate it. I hope that you've had a good practice today, and I hope you have a fantastic day, fantastic morning. Yes, Cooper hopes you have a fantastic day, a fantastic morning as well. And I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. And like always, if you enjoyed the video, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to not miss tomorrow's video. I'll chat with you then. Namaste.